Breathe you in like oxygen.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing part 2 of the Konmari-Ish declutter. I'm going to be doing the drawers that I have down here, which I was saying that I have like all the t-shirts and the jeans and the pants and all that stuff. So I'm not going to bore you with having to look through everything that I have. I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward it so you can kind of get a little bit of an idea of how much stuff I'm actually getting rid of. Then we're going to count everything so that I have a count of things that I do turn in. I'm going to put them in the basket, and then we're going to take them to Uptown Cheapskate, which I was talking about I think in the last video or the video before that. And then we're going to see how that comes out. What can I get out of it? I don't know, just a whole bunch more space so I can put a whole bunch more crap, I'm sure. So without further ado, let's get started.
Otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
Okay, so I just finished folding up all of the things that I took out of the closet, and I put them in these 2 baskets, and they're already full, and I haven't even started on these drawers yet, but I'm going to go ahead and just clean them out and see what else I can fit in here, and if not, I'll just grab another basket, but we'll see how that goes. So now we're on to the dresser.
That we've shared, my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me up, one open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
Okay, so obviously I didn't get very far with the t-shirts because, like I said before, it's very hard for me to get rid of my t-shirts, but I did get rid of some. Jeans, I did a very good job on getting rid of all these jeans. So these are the 2 baskets that I have that I'm going to take to Uptown Cheapskate. I'm going to call them just to kind of get the rules. I'm pretty sure they're probably just the same as Platos closet. They just have to be in a basket, clean and free of, you know, stains, etc. And then just bring them in, drop them off, and then they'll let you know when they're ready. So I'm going to call them, get the rules, and then I'm going to head over and drop them off and let you know how it worked out. Okay, so we have a little change of plans. I called Uptown Cheapskate, and they said that right now they were only taking shorts and athletic wear and, you know, tank tops, all summer stuff, and that they were not taking any long sleeved sweaters, jeans, anything like that. So I had to go back on my word because I had so much stuff I just had to go ahead and give it a shot. So I called Plato's Closet. They said that they in fact were taking all seasons to bring it all in, and I was like, okay, I'll give y'all another shot. So I've just dropped everything off, like 2 huge baskets of stuff. I mean, heavy, heavy, heavy stuff. So they said it will take about 15 minutes, which is crazy, but they said it would take about 15 minutes and that they would call me and let me know when they were done and I can come back and pick them up. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and hang out in the parking lot, because I know as soon as I run off somewhere, they're gonna call and I'm just gonna have to turn around and come right back. So that's okay. I think whatever is not taken from Plato's Closet, if it's any summer stuff, I might go ahead and take it to Uptown Cheapskate. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead and donate everything. I know that's probably what I should have done in the first place anyway, but hindsight is 2020, so we will see in just a few minutes what exactly they did take, if anything. So, fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm back home. I changed clothes because it is extremely cold outside, but they called me back. It took about 30 minutes because it was really, really busy in there, but they sent me a text and said, we're ready, you can come back and pick up your stuff. So when I walked in, I saw my 2 baskets sitting over there, and they were almost pretty much as full as they were when I, dropped them off, and I was like, of course. But I went over to the girl, and she's like, okay, we were interested in, she didn't give me a receipt to tell me exactly what it was, but I think she said they were interested in 61 items, I think. And she said, 61 items, and it would come to $113.07, I'm pretty sure is what the amount ended up being. And she's like, is that okay? And I was like, sure. So I got back everything that they didn't take. I'm gonna bring it back inside, go through it all, and then probably tomorrow, because it's a little late now, but probably tomorrow I'll take anything that is not winter and take it on over to Uptown Cheapskate, and then I will let you guys know how that goes out. And then everything else, like I said before, will probably just be donated. And I'm excited to kind of see how they are in comparison. But with it only being that they're taking summer stuff, it's probably going to be a lot different because I didn't have a lot of summer stuff in there. Mostly, jeans, pants, long sleeves, sweaters, jackets, things like that. So again, I will just bring everything in, go through it, see what's left, take it over there, and we'll see how it goes. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, guys, so it is a couple days later because I had some things I had to do, but I had to go back through what was left in the baskets from Plato's Closet so I could get out all of the summer stuff in order to take to Uptown Cheapskate, which in all actuality was like a pile this big, just some shirts and a few pairs of shorts. So I ended up going in there today. They took a couple minutes going through it, and they actually didn't take any of it, which just boggles my mind, because like I said, pretty much everything that I gave them to go through was either Polo, Adidas, or I want to say I don't remember what the other thing was. Anyway, it was nice stuff, but it is what it is. So I actually did end up doing the exact opposite. I kept saying how I was not going to go to Plato's Closet because I've had such bad experiences, and that I was going to go to Uptown Cheapskate. Hopefully, with my fingers crossed, those will be better, but it actually turned around the other direction. Plato's Closet was actually a lot better. Uptown Cheapskate was a no-go. So this is everything that I have left, which is literally like 2 full baskets just about. Really nice stuff. And I think at this point what I'm going to do is just bag it all up and either take it to like the Ram House or the shelters or something like that, so that they can have dibs on it. I know that there's a lot of people that need it out there, so I would much rather make sure that it goes somewhere that is actually needed. And I think that's just going to benefit everybody at this point. So I hope you enjoyed this little decluttering project. I hope this gives you some motivation to declutter some things. Probably in the next week or two, I'm going to start doing some spring cleaning or pre-spring cleaning. There's a lot of things that I want to get done, like the windows, the blinds, the ceiling fans, all that good stuff, so stay tuned for that. Make sure your bell notifications are on so that you don't miss anything that I update. I will be doing, like I said, the Wednesday and Friday videos. And if you're not subscribed already, I would love for you to click that button and be a part of this YouTube family. Give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below of what your worst spring cleaning chore is, what you hate, what you dread the most. And we're going to see if we can't get some motivation together. So thanks for coming by. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Breathe you in like oxygen.